Friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of jobs information with you. It is for both freshers and experienced folks. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically, friends, as soon as you open your Google Chrome, search for my website, which is Booble360. I have posted more than 500 plus jobs in this website. All are verified by me personally, but however few of them might be expired, but no problem, you can take a look. So basically, friends, today I have posted jobs from Nokia to DHL, and we will be going to discuss about all these jobs in a minute, and we would be more discussing about this job. And however, keeping that aside, in my previous videos I have explained about these jobs from Scientific Games Corporation, BCG, ABB, Synopsys, and multiple jobs. So that is the reason I'm sharing this website with you, so you can take a look and apply for the jobs. Let me open one after another job, so we can talk more about these jobs. We will talk about Nokia at last. Yeah, I just closed it. So the first job in my list is Intel. So basically, Intel is as you all know, it is a semiconductor company, and their products are like completely processors and other components related to the semiconductors. So basically, these people are hiring for internship for GPU software development engineer. So they are looking to hire BTech or MTech folks for this. They would be hiring mostly EEE, ECE, and CSC folks. And also their key requirements would be skills on C++ or C, and if you have additional skills it would be great. If not, you can give an interview with these skills as well. So basically, this job is for 3 departments and other engineering departments as also, but it depends on your skill set. If you want to apply, you can just click on apply for job, and you can click on this link. It will push you to the careers website. I mean, exactly, it will land you in job page. And next, Milliman company is hiring in Delhi for trainee software engineer position. So these people are hiring for BE, BTech and MCA folks with less or no experience. So they are looking to hire people who have some knowledge on OOPS concept with the .NET, JavaScript, HTML, CSS or TypeScript, and having knowledge of React, Redux, Scala, Python, Apache Spark, PowerShell scripting, and cloud will be an added advantage. So basically, forget about everything related to this, friends. OOPS concept is something you would have already read in your academics. So OOPS concept along with one programming language, either C++ or Java or Python, would be great. So these are the skills that they need. If you are fresher, don't worry by checking the job description or key requirements always. One programming language, one DBMS, probably SQL, one Linux are more than enough for this job. So don't get afraid by taking a look at these requirements. If you want to apply, just click on apply for job, and you need to click on here. It will push you to the company website. And however, this job is for CSC and ECE folks. If you have some knowledge on any of this, even though if you are mechanical or BSc, they will hire you. It's not a big deal, but just you need to prove yourself in the interview. And the next company is ACO. ACO is hiring for SDET 1 role for testing. So these people are hiring for QA engineers, QA experience, and they want someone who have some knowledge on automation testing using Java and Linux, and database concept is preferable. So if you see, they are looking for someone with Java programming, which is basically Java automation for testing, and second Linux, and if you have some skills on SQL, it would be great. So these are something these people are willing to take a look. And basically this is a CSC job. but still ECE folks and BSc folks also apply if you have 1 year of experience in QA. It's not like that if there is only computer science, only engineering folks need to take a look. Everyone can apply. It's not a big deal. And also you can reach the HR to access your profile. You can search them in LinkedIn. And however, keeping that aside, if you want to apply, just click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, you will be getting this link. Just click on this one, then it will push you to the company's website. So this is how it looks, and you need to click on apply now. And the next company is Oracle is hiring for developer with Java and SQL. So basically they are hiring for 0 to 2 years of experience with relevant to functional and or technical role. Undergraduate or equivalent experience is preferred. Product or technical expertise relevant to practice focus. Demonstrates basic competence in one product or technology, ability to communicate and build rapport with team members, ability to travel as needed. So just forget about everything, guys. So basically this is a developer job with Java and PLC SQL. So if you see, the role itself is telling what kind of profile is this and what are the requirements. So if you are a fresher, Java and SQL or more than enough. If you are experienced, you need to have some functional or technical experience. Even though if you are expert in these two, that would be a great advantage for you. And these two are the primary skills that this job needs. And 0 to 2 years means from fresher to experienced 2 years. And basically this CSC, EC, EEE, or else I would say all engineering folks who have some knowledge on Java and SQL can apply. And also BSc folks or BCom folks can also apply if you have knowledge on Java and PLSQL with 2 years of experience. And if you want to apply for the job, just click on apply for job. Let me show you. Apply for job, just click on this link, so it will push you to the company website. And next, Tata Motors is hiring in Maharashtra for machine learning and data analyst. So these people are hiring for BE, BTech, ME in mechanical or electrical. So this is purely a mechanical and electrical job, friends. The name itself is sharing this. And competencies, any type of failure analytical skills, should have knowledge in any programming. So I think even for mechanical force, C or C++ would be there. And I believe MATLAB, Python will be also there. Just correct me if I am wrong. But if you have knowledge on C and C++, it would be a great advantage for you. And keeping that aside, if you have some 6 months of experience, it would be great. Even if not, it is not a big deal. And this is purely a mechanical and electrical job, friends. And also CSC folks can give a try. It completely depends if you have interest. And this job is in Maharashtra. And if you want to apply, just click on apply for job. You can click on this link, so it will push you to the company's website. And next, PwC is hiring in Dublin. So I'm not going to talk much about this job. So this is for HR IT systems. If someone is in Dublin, you can take a look. And also you can also give a try. We are doing no harm. And next, Shell is hiring for graduate program in 2023 Indian. So basically this is for the people who are going to pass in 2023. And these people are hiring for a final year of your PG or have graduated with an advanced degree like Masters or PhD program with less than 3 years of work experience. Probably I think this company will be paying you the most salary. Strong communication and interpersonal skills. You need to be a resident. So these are something your identity. So basically anyone who have done their masters, no matter if you are done from engineering or MBA, it won't be a big deal. Just masters is something they need, and PhD would be great. Even pursuing candidates can also give a try. If you want to apply for a job, just click on apply for job. Then it will land in the careers page. And keeping that aside, Next, DHL is hiring in Chennai for associate system analyst role. So basically they are looking for an IT support engineer, if I'm not wrong. So who have some knowledge on desktop support for Dell and HP products, knowledge in Windows 10 and Microsoft Office. So this is purely an IT support job. Anyone can apply for this job, like CSC, EC and BSc computers folks also can apply. So it's a great opportunity for you. So if you want to apply, just you can click on apply for job and you can click on here. So it will push you to the company's website. So from there on you can apply for the job. And keeping that aside, the next job and the last job is Nokia. So basically Nokia is hiring for software developer and a digital trust team, software developer role in Bangalore location. So let me show you where you can apply. Just click on apply for job. Just click on this link. So basically this is the job in Bangalore. So they are looking for the person with 0 to 3 years of experience. They are looking for bachelor's degree or equivalent experience is required within technical field like CS, EE, etc. And master's is a plus. So basically CS, ECE and EEE folks and BSc communication and computers folks can also give a try. So they are looking for someone who is having some knowledge on OOP concept, data structures and algorithms and Java, SQL. If you have some knowledge on AWS, it would be great. If not, just it is not a big deal. And these are something the company is going to prefer, but as a fresher, I don't think you need this. So basically for this role, we need one programming language, one SQL. And if you have knowledge on Linux, it would be helpful if they are going to train you in AWS or other Docker, Kubernetes. And that's it, friends. These are the important skills that you need if you want to apply for the job. And if you want to apply, just click on apply for job. So once you click on apply for job, you will get this page. Just click on acknowledge. And if you are a new user, just click on here new user and then go forward. If you have applied already, then you need to login with your username and password. Click on login, and from there on you can apply for the job. Make sure you keep your resume in handy. So that's it, friends. These are the 9 jobs that I wanted to share with you, and please do share it with your friends or job seekers who are looking for the jobs. And in my upcoming video I would be sharing more relevant information. Till then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.